tell a little bit about why this place is so unique? I know, but can you tell them?
Sure. Yeah, we opened in November of 2016. We really were searching for an all-day restaurant that had the best breakfast and brunch, the best cocktails, sort of like a good late night scene, really great dinner. We paired up with this amazing chef, Jaime, who came from a Terra in the City, a fine dining restaurant. And we knew we had something special, but we felt like, it was something different. And it was something unique to Brooklyn, and we really were focusing on like a neighborhood spot that people could come to multiple times a week.
What can people expect when they come here regarding like the menu and the drinks and...
Something unique, something fun, fresh ingredients, locally sourced, delicious.
You have it all, for sure.
Yeah.
It's which are, in New York, your to-go spots, like your behind-the-scenes places that you love to go and explore with friends and that definitely are not touristy.
Gosh, okay. I love Llama Inn. It's a great restaurant to go to, great date night.
They have a rooftop, right?
And they're opening a rooftop, I think, in a month or so, yeah. Donna is a bar down the street, a cocktail bar.
For the dirty kids, I heard.
Yeah,
they say
so
this
good.
is the bar for the dirty kids.
Yes, so good. Becco's a cool little hot spot that's
Yes.
right near my house. I love that.
Our first video was there.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
It's great. Kings County Imperial, it's great Chinese. Hotel Del Mano is another great cocktail bar. The Richardson is right by my house. I love going there.
You know how to crack this thing open? You hit it on the side, like so. And then I'm gonna have you aerate it, all right? You're gonna do this.
I don't know. I don't know.
No way. From here to here? No, I need my right hand, yeah.
From here to... What that does is aerates the cocktail, aerates the juices and everything. We're gonna fill this thing with more pebble ice. It's one of these little glasses as well.
And we have, what's the name?
The Havana Honey Bear.
Havana Honey Bear, guys.
Try it.
I will have to try it.
Please.
She loves these drinking moments.
Super low ABV, so it's not going to get you good.
Yeah.
This is very good. Whee!
Why not?
Yep.
Why not? Exactly.
People said we dropped the flaming starving.
So cheers.
Cheers.
This
Cheers.
is amazing, guys. This is the place to come in Brooklyn if you have not been to Brooklyn. Todd, Brian, you guys are awesome.
Thank you.
Hope you enjoyed.
Thanks.